This is how to buy and sell stocks on Cash App. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store, locate Cash App, and update and install the app. Once you have updated, let's go ahead and open it up. We're going to head on over to our profile on the top right here. We're going to head to link banks. If you haven't already, make sure to link your bank account to your Cash App so you can get some money in it. All right, once you've linked your bank account, go ahead and transfer some money from your bank account to Cash App by pressing Add Cash right there. And then selecting the amount to add. We're going to go to stocks right here. And here, if you want a certain stock that you would like to go for, I can search here for maybe Tesla or Amazon. And then let's say I'd like to invest in Meta. So we're going to press on that. And here on this screen, we're going to press on buy. Here you will enter the certain amount that you'd like to invest in, depending on how much money you have. Let's just do $1 for this example. Go next. And now depending on the date and time that you buy this, like for me, for my example, I'm doing this late at night, so I will be able to buy $1 of Meta tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. because that's when the stocks open up. So I'm going to go ahead and press schedule, and my order has been placed. Now, if I've already bought in it and I would like to sell it, you can go to the same screen right here, and right next to where it says buy, it will say sell. Press on that, enter the amount that you like to sell for, and then sell it. That is how to buy and sell stocks on Cash App.